get severely into this hump day. Wednesday?
Now's day.
Put the silent D in Wednesday. Vitamin D, that is.
Woman Crush Wednesday.
Our WCW today is Mother Nature. Mom! 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 Be cognizant of her benevolence, play by her rules, and never disrespect her.
Burpee, excuse me?
Put the sure in nature and never look back. Unless you see a piece of litter, then pick it up and then keep it up because you are your own inspiration.
Bridges better recognize.
Duck, Duck, Goose was a fun game as a child, but why would you ever play it with your health? Duck, duck. Wake up and smell the flowers, but take your Claritin first. Allergies are a bitch. Asking Mother Nature the hard questions. She's stumped. They can chop you down, but from that stump, you will grow into a mighty tree. It just might take a really long time. But don't be discouraged. Be couraged. This is Bryce Torseau, telling you to live, give, and thrive. I love you guys.